guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So today we are going to be doing a phone case collection, and I did a what is on my iPhone video previously, so if you have not seen that video, the link will be down below. So I have a few cases, not that many, but I have a few. So my first case is this. Let me come a little closer. So my first case is this clear case, and it has a pop socket on it, and it says Supreme. Don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, there we go. And it says Supreme. And I think it's a very cute case, but this part here is starting to be discolored, so I don't know. Anyways, that's my first case. My second case here is another clear case, and it has this Galaxy pop socket on it, and this is a iPacky Under Protection of Love case, whatever that is. I have another one of those, and it has something like a Galaxy. So it has this pop socket on it. It's purple and blue, and it's just like this one. Only thing, one is blue and one is black. So one is dark blue and one is black. So this case I got, this is the first case I got with the phone. It has the ring, which I don't really like, and that is why I have most of my cases with pop sockets and not with the ring. I really don't like the ring. I don't know, this is what it does right now. So beautiful case. I loved this case, and it's damaged. Like, look at that. Hi. So you guys can see that. This is what happened to my case. Yeah, this is what happened to my case. So this was a Mickey Mouse case with a what do you call this? A donut thing on it. So it's a donut pop socket on it. Pretty cute. But it started to strip, so all of this is stripping. So the next, this case is it's dark, I wouldn't say purple, it's not purple, it's kind of like burgundy looking. Yeah, with some pineapples. And tell this story. I went into a store and I was deciding what pop socket to get with this phone, and the guy there, he recommended this one, so I said, you know what, I'll take it. So I took it, and it turned out pretty cute for the phone. It's teal, blue, whatever this is. So yeah, this is the next case I have. It's kind of rough here, and it's just cute. I love it. And the pop socket I have kind of really matches it, because the flowers in it, the patterns are the same color as the case. Then I have my favorite color case, which is yellow. So this is the yellow case, which broke. Like, hi. Anyways, so it has this pop socket. It's the Superman pop socket, which is pretty cute. I love cases. I have the last one with the pop socket on it. This is a, let's see what this is. It has stripes, and I don't know, it's just cute. That's all I have. This, and it has my Snapchat. This is the first pop socket I ever bought. It's a Snapchat pop socket, and it's stripping as well. So yeah, I got this inside. I love, it has rhinestones, but I hardly use it because it has not much protection. As you guys, I'm gonna show you guys this, which is the same with this one, but this one is a bit thicker. But this one has no protection whatsoever. It's just cute, so I hardly use it because I don't want to drop my phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed filming them. So as I said before, if you have not yet watched my what is on my iPhone video, that will be linked down below. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so and turn on the notifications bell to be notified every time I post a video. I will see you guys in my next video.